At the bottom, you can add a page by simply clicking Add Page. If you want to duplicate this entire page, you can come over here to the top right and click on Duplicate Page. And now a copy of this page has been made. You can move things around, drag things. You can ask Canva for help. Let's say, for example, I want to only replace the content, but not change where things are here. You can click on this lock button, and now you can change the wording here, but if I try to move it around, it will not let me anymore. Now, if I want to lock this entire page from editing so that I can no longer edit the page itself, I simply click Lock Page. And now if I try to edit this page at the top, it says Page is locked, unlock to continue. And to do that, you just press this lock again. And now you can go back to editing however you wish. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.